Hi again, everybody. Welcome back to my back-to-back daily challenge here in Hustle Diaries. So, this one, the topic is the cost of delay. Hmm. Napansin nyo ba kapag may bagay tayong gustong gawin, pero paulit-ulit nating pinagpapaliban, feeling natin walang nangyayari? Pero yung totoo, may kapalit siya. And it's not always money, no? Minsan ang kapalit, oras. Wasted, right? Kasi nothing was done. Opportunities, right? Confidence, so like growth, right? Or experiences na hindi na natin mababawi. Or have you ever caught yourself saying, sana nasimulan ko na noon? Yan. Sana hindi na ako nag-intay ng matagal. Or ito, sana mas maaga kong naniwala sa sarili ko. Ay, nako, ako, yes. Yes na yes. Because the truth is, time keeps moving whatever we act or not. Hmm. Lumipas ang mga araw, lumipas ang mga buwan, at minsan nagugulat na lang tayo kung gaano kabilis ang panahon. Right? Now, hindi naman ibig sabihin na dapat na minamadali natin lahat ng decisions natin. Pero minsan kasi, sobrang tagal na nating nag-iintay na maging ready tayo. Hinihintay natin yung perfect timing, yung perfect plan, and perfect confidence. Pero what if the perfect moment does not exist? Gagawin natin, diba? Tenga na lang. What if clarity comes after we take that first step? Because most of the time, hindi naman natin nakikita yung buong path eh. Hindi natin nakikita yung bigger picture. Makikita lang natin yung next step. And sometimes that's enough. Kasi may cost din ang pananatiling nasa isang lugar lang. Di ba? Yung missed opportunities, right? Yung wondering, paano ba kung ginawa ko na? What if? Yan. The cost of not finding out what could have happened. Paano ba pag ginawa ko na to? Right? I remember talking about business. It took me 2 years, right? To finally say yes. Yeah, parang iintayin pa ba natin na may mangyari? Na mapapaisip na tayo na, gagawin ko na to. Mas gugustuhin pa ba natin yung sitwasyon na oo na tayo kasi we're caught in the moment na. Kung parang no choice ka na. Kesa doon sa makakapag-start ka ng maayos, wala masyadong stress, 'di ba? Like makakapag-training ka ng maayos, 'di ba? So, for this topic, gusto ko pag-isipan niyo to ha. Ano ang naging kapalit ng pag-iintay niyo? I don't know, it's not about business. It may be anything in life, right? What has delaying cost you so far? And what small step can you take this week to move forward? Remember, small actions can prevent big regrets tomorrow. Right? Thank you again for spending a few minutes with me here in Hustle Diaries. Take care, trust yourself, and remember, the next best time to start is today. Okay? Thank you and bye!